tryna hold it in, but it's not working. I remember nights you said you'd never leave. Now I'm stuck with memories. You were everything I thought I'd ever need. Yeah, I believe I was fighting, you were letting go. I ain't see it, I ain't even know. You were texting him while next to me, and I still called you home. You looked me in my eyes and you lied. I gave you all I had, I tried. You broke me quietly. I didn't scream, I just couldn't breathe. I'm crying when nobody sees, 'cause you meant everything to me. You broke me quietly. Why you lie to me? Now I can't even sleep. Tell me, was it ever real to you? Now I'm thinking about the things you said. Was it all just in my head? Every promise turning into pain. I still hear you calling out my name. I was loyal, I was always there. You just acted like you cared. You moved on like I was nothing, and I'm still stuck right here. I don't hate you, I just hate what you did. You took my trust and broke that. Now I don't know who I am. I gave you everything, everything. You broke me quietly. I can't even feel my heartbeat. I'm screaming but it's silent. You don't hear me. You broke me quietly, and now there's nothing left of me. I'm lost in what we used to be. You were my everything, yeah. You broke me quietly, and I felt every second